Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Kahoot Learning Games. So let's start our video. First, you need to go and search for Kahoot on the Google search bar, where when you search it, it will show you the first website here. And then all you need to do is to click on the link. It will bring you to kahoot.com. Here, what you need to do is you will find this start for free. You need to click on this. It will bring you here. Choose what is the most relevant for you. So you can choose according to your preference. I will choose teacher. The next one is school, higher education, school administration, business, or other. For me, it is school. You can choose what is good for you. Here, all you can do is to sign up with your Google account. You can use the Microsoft account, Apple, or Clever as well. So if you want to continue with that, you can choose one of that. If not, you can enter your email here and then tap on continue. So I will continue with a Google account. Then you need to select the Google account when this window is pop up. And then when you select the account, all you need to do is to click on continue. So once you click on continue, it will take a bit of time to load. So guys, as you can see, I have joined in Kahoot using my email address. As you can see right here, this is my profile right now. So guys, it's pretty easy and simple to join kahoot.com and create your account. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.